actually complete this look, fangs. I feel like I need fangs right now. Welcome back to another Cocktails Inspired by Movies video. Now today's recipe was created by a guy named Darren Lim from a place called Luck Bar. I will leave a link to the recipe in the description box. Thank you, Darren, for creating this drink, which is not only yummy but super easy to make and make look festive. So today's cocktail is inspired by the Saw films and their main antagonist, John Kramer. Saw is an American horror franchise, which is funny since both its creators are Australian. Yay! The franchise began in 2004 and has spawned 8 films since then, with a 9th planned for release in 2020. The franchise revolves around John Kramer, also called the Jigsaw Killer or simply Jigsaw, a man who abducts people, usually scum, criminals or immoral members of society, and traps them in situations that he calls tests or games to test their will to live through physical or psychological torture, believing that if they survive, they will be rehabilitated. Doesn't bring messed up logic. Again, I remind everyone I am not a professional, I'm just here to have some fun and I hope you will too, so with that said, let's get to mixing. Okay, so to make this recipe you're going to need blood orange Contro. I didn't know that was a thing and I was very lucky that my store happened to have it. You're also going to need cranberry juice, coconut water and Sprite. You can also use 7-Up as a substitute, and you're going to need basil seeds. Now initially what you're going to see is how to make a single serve of this drink, and then I'll explain some more as we go along. So to an empty glass you're going to pour in 30 ml of the blood orange Contro. To that you'll add 60 ml of cranberry juice. To that you will add 45 ml of coconut water. Now because I'm stupid and paused recording and forgot to hit record, we don't see me adding the 1 teaspoon of basil seeds, but as you can see I have actually done it. And before or after that doesn't really matter. Add 45 ml of Sprite. It looks pretty, don't it? Oh, I love this effect, it's so cool. Now here's the part where if you want it to look like the thumbnail, which is what I was trying to do, I've used a 700 ml empty bottle of Crystal Skull vodka. I have quadrupled the recipe as to help fill it to the top, and then give it a little shake, put it in front of some really nice atmospheric lighting, and voila! Instant bloody Kramer that looks super awesome and perfect for Halloween. Like seriously, this is the money shot, folks. This is fantastic. The good thing about this is now that it is in a bottle that's sealed, I can put it in the fridge and then I can just go to it whenever I want. That is fantastic. Share it with friends. There is how to make a bloody Kramer inspired by the movie Saw. This was actually, I think, one of my favorite cocktails to make just because of that picture. Let's put it on the screen one more time. Oh, so good. So good. I love it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up and comment down below and tell me what you think. I did intend to have 3 cocktail videos up this month, but the second cocktail gave me some grief, so I'm afraid it's only going to be 2. But if you enjoyed these videos, please let me know and I will attempt to bring you more cocktails inspired by movies because I haven't done them in ages. So, thank you as always to my patrons and to everybody who is subscribed to my channel, and I will see you in the next video, and until then, happy Halloween!